short period. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Bedford County in south central Pennsylvania until 10 p.m. At 6:54 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 3 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Breezewood, Clearville, and Everett. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, country roads, farmland, and other low-lying spots.